Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of chat on your taskbar, of course, on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that contains, of course, the Windows 11. If you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can even run the installation of that on the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. That will not be any problem. Your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big deal, especially if you have a good PC. And once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I bet when you get used to it, you will even like it much better. And of course, upgrading from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or any apps. It will just upgrade the Windows 10 from 11. So don't worry about that. And as we said, we would like to get rid of chat on your taskbar right here. You will find this here and you will not be able to remove it like those. And as an example, if you have something pinned in the taskbar, you can just right click on it and click at Unpin to taskbar. But the chat, you'll not be able to right click on it. So simply just go into your settings by clicking at Windows I on your keyboard, or just go and open it with your regular way, and make sure to go into this personalization on the left panel here. Now you would like to go into this taskbar option and make sure to just hide this. We don't need this. Go into this taskbar items. If you have the chat in your taskbar, that means this is already on. And as you can see, if we right click on it, you will not be able to open it. So the only way to unpin it is just to turn it off from here and with other stuff here if you want. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.